Good morning students, I Sushma Kataria from Suru School Bhiwadi, and today in this video we'll discuss about the 11th class 4th chapter Albert Einstein at school. We are doing just overview of it because we have done this chapter in our live classes, and I hope you all completely understand the concept of this chapter. So in this video we'll discuss about only the summary of this chapter and what kind of things were there in the chapter. This chapter extract from his own biography, Albert Einstein biography, the name Young Einstein. Clear? And it is a part of it. In the very starting of this chapter, what we have that the extract begin with a description of Einstein in his history class, and his teacher Mr. Braun scolding him for not being able to answer the question parting some dates. Clear? So in the very starting of the chapter we find that there is a scene in the history class when the teacher Mr. Braun asking a question from Albert Einstein about related to a date, but he was not able to answer because according to him he did not regard learning facts as education. Clear? According to Albert Einstein, he did not like the education which depends on the facts. He liked the education which is depends on the ideas. Clear? So in that way, there was a little argument, you can say, in between the both the person, and history teacher scolded him and gave him punishment to stay for the extra period of history class. As a punishment, he gave him this punishment. Clear? That he have to stay for another extra class for of history, which he don't like. So it doesn't mean that he was not having any interest in studies. He loved that things. Apart from his books on science, साइंस के साथ साथ उनको उसको कौन सी चीज़ है, अल्बर्ट लव्स प्लेइंग म्यूज़िक. उसको वायलिन बजाना बहुत, उसको म्यूज़िक क्यों पसंद था? बिकॉज इन म्यूज़िक यू कैन क्रिएट न्यू थिंग्स, यू कैन बी अ क्रिएटिव, यू कैन पुट सम आइडियाज़ इन इट. Clear? And as you know that Albert Einstein liked the education, like the study system which is based on new ideas and innovation. Okay, Albert feels that except mathematics he is learning nothing and he is wasting his father's money and others time. Clear? He said he don't like to be in school, but he just learn mathematics by interest. So he thought that he was wasting his parents' money as well as every teacher's time, because he doesn't have any interest in any other subject. He also aware about the fact that his father will not withdraw him from the school until he complete his diploma. Clear? And he desperately wishes to leave the school. Clear? He want to leave the school because he don't like it, because every teacher scold him for being argumentative and being logical. Clear? And he was not able to complete his work as well. He was not able to learn the things. Okay, but he was completely aware about that fact that his father will not take him away from the school until he complete his diploma. So whatever the condition is, he have to stay in the school. Einstein knows that he must have very good reason for dropping out of school and tells his friend Yuri he wants a doctor to certify that he had a nervous breakdown and should take the rest. So what he decide, उसने क्या decide किया to उसने सोचा कि let find out an excuse to get away from the school. He tell everything to his friend Yuri, and he said that I want a doctor who can make a fake certificate of nervous breakdown, and by this I'm able to get away from the school. Yuri, being a sincere friend, helps Einstein to find a helpful doctor, Dr. Weil. ठीक है, Ernest Weil was the full name, and who gives a certificate that he desired. Clear? So being a very real friend kind of thing, Yuri helped him to find a doctor and he gave him a certificate which he demanded. Happily, he plans to visit head teacher and show the certificate, but he summoned by him instead. Einstein is able to achieve what he wants, though he slightly different manner. अब देखो क्या हुआ, यूरी ने उसकी हेल्प की, दैट ही वॉज एबल टू हैव अ सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम अर्नेस्ट वेल. अर्नेस्ट वेल ने उसको सर्टिफिकेट बना भी दिया. ओके. And he asked a question, what you will do if you are not going to school for that 6 months, what you will do. So what he said, उस सर्टिफिकेट में क्या मेंशन था कि एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन हैड टू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द स्कूल फॉर नेक्स्ट 6 months एंड बिकॉज इट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर हिज मेंटल हेल्थ. ओके. सो उस टाइम पे सर्टिफिकेट उसको मिल गया. तब जब वो स्कूल में अपने हेड टीचर को दिखाने के लिए जा रहा था, एट द टाइम जो हेड टीचर है उन्होंने ही उसको खुद बुला लिया, समन्ड हिम, दैट मीन्स ही कॉल हिम, एंड उसको एक्सपेल कर दिया गया स्कूल से फॉर हिज मिसबिहेवियर विद अदर टीचर्स. एंड जो उसका जो सर्टिफिकेट था वो कम्प्लीटली यूजलेस रहा. क्लियर? So this is the entire chapter. I hope you completely understand that he want to get away from the school, but not in that manner. उसकी जो आँखें हैं, it was full of tears, and he never looked back to the school when he's going out from the school, where he spent his 5 years of his life. The reason is he want to get away. जो कहता है उसकी डिज़ायर जो है वो कंप्लीट हो गई, वो जाना चाहता था और वो चला गया, लेकिन वो उस तरीके से नहीं जाना चाहता था जिस तरीके से वो इस टाइम पे गया था. Okay, so his eyes was full of tears. He want to get away from the school's atmosphere and school's condition, but not in that way as he was going. Clear? So this is the entire chapter. I hope you completely understand the chapter. The given assignment you have to do in your fair notebook. Thank you.